Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Darren Tang, Storm Staffer, and we have one of the most anticipated releases of the year. IQ U78. I'm excited for this one. I hope it's gonna be good. We always need a good urethane piece in our lives, right? So, why 78? The standard hardness on the PBA Tour is 73. They've been doing some research and they found that urethane balls drop an average of 5 points. So 78 minus 5, 73. What was the problem before? If they were produced at 73, they were dropping to 67, 68, 69, some even lower than that. And why does hardness matter? I'll explain after this. Hardness can affect a lot of things. You can tell how shiny this thing is already. I probably don't have more than a game on both of them. Softer balls hold surface a lot better. As you can see, it's pitch black. Not quite as shiny as the IQ U. We are going to hit this ball with some surface, but we're going to hit it with some 500 grit, and we'll see how fast it shines up again. This ball is a little harder, like we mentioned, but it has the IQ core, which is a little stronger than the pitch black. So hopefully that brings them close enough to where IQ rolls just as good as the old pitch blacks. Now that you've seen my standard kind of IQ U, you can throw the 4x4x0, or the steroid layout I like to call. Can make a bowling ball hook more. So if you struggle with getting your ball to read earlier, what this zero buffer is going to do is it makes the bowling ball stronger, makes it hook more, makes it hook earlier. So if you struggle with that, if you're low rev or maybe you're a little more on the spinner side, try this zero buffer layout. The amount of flare is so much more on the zero buffer than the other one. I think that surface is going to make a bigger difference. Let's go ahead and do that. We'll scuff them up and then we'll see how it changes things. And the first shot with the fresh cover is always way more than the next. So the first shot doesn't really matter a whole lot. Okay, not super shiny yet. You see? This is the other one that I've been throwing for a while. A little more gloss. Second shot should go a little bit straighter, but still probably not to where it's gonna settle. Same spot. I might have missed a little bit left, so it might have saw a little more oil in the middle of the lane. Regardless, it did hook a lot less. So now we're gonna throw one more shot. Same spot again. Try to keep this one on line a little more. I like to think the more you hit the ball surface, urethane balls in particular, the better they roll. Because you want these things to hook as soon as possible. The more we hit them with surface, the more we help them hook early. So is this the kind of ball you're gonna wanna throw in league, hook the lane a bunch with? Probably not. Is this a ball that you're gonna need to replace your pitch black with or your fast pitch? If you're gonna bowl PBA events, yes, because this rule applies to all level of PBA competition. If you just bowl local tournaments, have nothing to do with PBA, or if you're just bowling league, your current urethane ball will be just fine. The surface for these urethane balls makes a world of difference if you haven't noticed. That was another 2 off of where we started with the fresh, weaker layout. Do I want to keep moving left with this thing? Not really, but for the sake of the video, we're going to. Now the moment of truth. Where does the pitch black stack up against this thing? Now we talked about hardness and surface earlier. I think the biggest difference here, obviously the cores are different. Pitch black's got a much weaker core, but this pitch black, at least being softer, it's gonna hold surface a little bit better.
Oh, I try to be my best self, but I fall sometimes. I do.
It's just gonna come around the corner a little more because it's a little weaker, and the surface is gonna hold a little better, so it's gonna read the body of the lane, I guess more consistent. Won't shine up as fast. Okay, let's get dialed in. Pitch black in hand.
These days, for you another shot of whiskey. Oh, baby, I know it's Tuesday, 'cause I'm just looking for a good time. I've been walking on a thin line these days. For you another shot of whiskey. Oh, baby, I know it's Tuesday. Please stay with me.
All right, doesn't get much better than that. Let's go back to the other 78U with a similar layout. A lot less flare. The lines are a lot closer together. The lines are going to be much further apart on the U.
Sleepless nights. I think I'm scared to be alone. It's hard to break these thoughts.
This is stronger overall. It's going to make it a little harder to come around the corner on these conditions at least, because they're hooking pretty early. So that weaker ball is going to get through the front just a little more and come around the corner a lot easier. What I do like about this though, I don't feel like the ball gets offline super fast. I can play to the right, just get forward, soft with my hand.
Oh, baby, I know it's Tuesday, 'cause I'm just looking for a good time. 'Cause I've been walking on a thin line these days. For you another shot of whiskey.
I'm really hoping this ball is going to play a factor on the tour this year. We've been pretty good with the urethane ball. I'm starting to gain some more confidence with it again, and I'd like for it to be another tool we can use.